Collaboration with all stakeholders is critical in today's product development process. Managing design data, assigning tasks, hosting reviews, sharing ideas in a single cloud-enabled platform gives you and your business a strategic advantage. The 3D Experience platform provides the infrastructure and tools to bring everyone in the product development process together. When you're ready to do some work in SOLIDWORKS, launch it from 3D Experience and open your local files. Click Save in the task pane to synchronize your design files with your cloud storage. No servers or hardware to set up or maintain. Custom properties and attributes are carried over, and with the built-in revision scheme, you can spend less time administering your data and more time designing. You may also leverage workflows to track what is in progress, released, and obsolete. With your data on the platform, you and other stakeholders can review and collaborate in real time from anywhere with any device with an internet connection. Use additional 3D Experience applications like Bookmarks and 3D Play to easily collect pertinent information, view, measure, markup, explode, and much more, all on the platform, so you can find information and provide feedback faster than ever. Share your ideas and goals to platform communities to easily collaborate with the rest of your team without cluttering email inboxes. As a project lead or anyone who needs to keep track of tasks, you can create them on the platform for an overall view of a project status. Quickly see which tasks need to be completed and who is responsible. Because of its seamless integration, it's easy to assign users, due dates, associated CAD data, and more in only one system. Sometimes email is necessary, which is why assignees of tasks can receive email notifications automatically that provide instant access to the platform so they can get to work immediately. After another user has updated a shared design, you can get their changes instantly. No need to replace components. Simply get the latest version. This allows you to leverage the SOLIDWORKS ecosystem of products like SOLIDWORKS Plastics, Mold Tools, and SOLIDWORKS CAM, so you can get your design ready to manufacture. When the design phase is complete, use the included workflow to release the components and protect them from undesired changes. Additionally, from the SOLIDWORKS interface, you can update your tasks to easily stay on top of your workload. All of this is made possible with the 3D Experience platform. Learn more at solidworks.com/3D Experience.